What's your fondest memory of the society?
And the fondest memory of Modi's clapping the hands with the Jhanda, Tiranga, Jhanda, or jo bhi hua tha, ghanti bajana, and during that, using banquet hall on 21st floor, where we could call 200 people for lunch, something like that, for the puja. So those are the, I mean, everything is fond here. Which one I will say? Playing cricket, badminton tournament is going to take place now, TT tournament which took place. Everything is good. Everything is a fond memory.
So, auntie, what major events are celebrated in this society?
If everything like normal, you say Diwali is there, Holi, even New Year's, Christmas. So these days we celebrate almost everything. Even Krishna Janmashtami, Navratri. Navratri we have gala time, Garba, food, everything. So every type of festival is celebrated here.
So, you don't really have to go out to celebrate any
Not
festival.
at all. At least we elderly people, so I'm happy with this.
Auntie, what role do you think residents should play in building a better neighborhood?
Connecting with each other, which we do have. So sports is one ground where we always connect. The driver leaves Ashok Garden, you will find working here. The driver leave this place, you will find working in Lodha. So even those people love to stay in these 3 colonies in all.
Auntie, why is it important for people, especially younger residents, to get involved in the society matters?
They are the one who are taking us here. We are old. The younger generation takes us forward, the whole colony forward. So they give lots of input, take its sports, take its this type of social, this thing for animals, also for people, good connect. So many things are coming up, so many young generation, lawyers group is there. You take any group, I don't want to say, all the types of groups are there. They are together and they only are taking us forward. So I always feel the younger generation must come forward for these things.
What would your advice be to someone looking for an apartment or rent at Crescent Bay?
I will welcome them with both my hands. Let it be any age, anything. For elderly, there is space. Plenty of activities, plenty of ladies. WhatsApp group like beautiful ladies, WhatsApp group like beauties, what all name, even I don't know, are there. They are always welcome with that. For the games, special games also, where the young generation would like to play together, middle generation would like to play together with this thing. CB provides good badminton, this thing. So we all, home lovers, we go around after 11 o'clock. Office goers use morning time, late hours. Every type of facilities are there, games also.
So, we have some last set of questions for you. One thing that you love about the society?
Difficult question hai. One thing bole, I like so many things. One thing is the positivity, the smile. Even if you get down on the lift, go to the AM level, go out of the colony, roam around in the colony, go to play or anywhere from clubhouse till the TT room, 21st floor, everywhere. People smile at you. That positivity, I love.
I think this will be more difficult, but one thing that can be improved in the society.
We call it segregation of waste. Many places it has not been done correctly. They are not doing it. Ignorant, one thing. Don't want to do it, it's another thing. So now we have taken up. We have got 6 from each tower. We have taken 2 ladies now. From the colony, it will be a zero waste project, where segregation of only wet waste first, recyclable, e-waste.
Thank you so much, Auntie. It was lovely talking with you. Thank you for taking out time for us for this interview. It was great to know your experience in the society, and it will help our viewers in making their mind if they want to shift here or not. And I'm sure they would want to shift here after this interview.
So, Auntie, before we wrap up, I'd love to take a moment and introduce you to our project. It's called GharConnect.in.
It is a passion project or startup where we help tenants connect with the owners directly without brokerage. So it is zero brokerage rentals.
Oh wow.
And we list only premium rentals like Crescent Bay, like Lodha apartments and all that. So it also has fresh dairy products which are delivered to your doorstep. and you can rent apartments there, and you can even list your apartment there on gharconnect.in. So yeah.
I'm very thankful to Ghar Connect. They called me, and this is what we spoke about.
Right.
And I would welcome definitely most of them. And I'm happy to know about the other deliveries which you all have started along with the rental or whatever. Even I can use you
Sure.
if I want my daughter or anybody for that
Hmm.
matter. The Ghar Connect is really good. We are looking forward to more and more like this. And very happy. I
Thank you
would
so
say
much,
that.
Auntie.
Thank you.
Thank you for this interview.